A350 has been moving out of the factory line like hot cookies. Every single airline that has ordered the A350, whenever the time for delivery arrives, they cherish that moment because they know that the A350 will take them to the next future. Dozens of airlines, they are still waiting for the delivery of the A350. Japan Airlines is one of the airlines that will be receiving the delivery of the A350 within the next few months, as the aircraft is still in the final assembly. Japan Airlines A350 has already started taking shape. The wing-fuselage junction and the installation of the vertical and horizontal tailplane have been completed. After this phase, the A350 extra wide body will be in the next assembly line station for final structural completion. Part of this phase, a winglets ground testing electrical avionic system will be installed. The first A350-900 for the airline is scheduled to be delivered in June. Once the airline receives the aircraft, the airline will start analyzing the aircraft until the aircraft enters service. In September, Japan Airlines A350 will start operating on major domestic routes between Haneda and Fukuoka. This will allow the airline staff to become familiar with the aircraft, since it is the first one for the airline. After this testing is done, the A350 will start flying on international routes. Japan Airlines has signed a firm order of 31 A350s. The airline ordered 2 variants. They ordered 18 of the A350-900 and 13 of the A350-1000. Japan Airlines operates an all-Boeing fleet. To demonstrate the power of the A350, in 2013, the airline placed an order because they believe the ability of the aircraft can take them into the next future. This A350 will help the airline to replace older generation wide-body aircraft, such as the 777-200. Probably the airline might use the A350 to launch new destinations, since the airline is already operating the 787 on most international routes. Once again, let me thank you for watching my video. You can also feel free to subscribe to Wellstar Aviation, and also you can share your thoughts about Japan Airlines taking delivery of their first A350. I'll be looking forward to engaging with you in the comment section.